Hey guys, Joe the Auto Guy here today to do a little product review on 303 products. They sent me some of the stuff to try out, so we're going to try them out, do a little review video, and see what I think of them. This one is the spray wax. For the spray wax, it's a very easy application, has great results. I was actually very impressed with it. Basically, we have a dry surface here, clean dry surface. We washed the car. We're just going to do a quick spray with the hood. Take a clean microfiber towel, just work it in like you would wax. This is just easy spray wax. No large, hand rubbing needed. You're just doing a coat of wax onto your paint surface. Just rub excess off. And you have a coat of protection on your paint. You can feel the slickness of it. We're gonna let it cure for a little bit. You can even see it just leaves a nice glossy shine behind. Just as wax would with, giving your paint a deeper feel. Way more of a nice clean sheen. So 303 spray wax will last up to 90 days. It gives a nice clean protection. You can just feel the surface already coated, like it has a nice smoothness against your fingers. You know it's actually coated and it's working. It'll bead some water, keeps bugs from not sticking to it, and also other contaminants, as wax is. It's a protectant. This is not the hardened quality of a paste wax, but for a quick spray you can do this in you can do panels in 30 seconds. So it's a great product from 303. Quick, speedy access to quick spray wax. It has a very durable, feel and luster to it. So you're gonna see how it's just the spray wax is already beating water up. It's off. It's very quick to dry. So you can see how easy it beaded water and dried off, no problem. 303 spray wax is safe on all non-porous materials, aluminum, paint, plastics, everything that's just going to accept the spray wax and protect it. Now it gives 90 days of protection, beads water like no problem. It has a nice slick surface when you're done with it. It's just a great product from 303, and I highly recommend it. So pretty much I've been testing all the 303 products with this new line of stuff, and these things are coming out great. I really like the usage of them, good value for the money. Definitely suggest you check them out. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe for a lot more like this one.